Hello student, today we are starting our first chapter of IoT, Internet of Things, and first chapter is devoted towards the introduction to Internet of Things. Okay, so in first chapter we will see the some basic or introductory part of the IoT. Okay, so some there are some syllabus topics are there, IoT definition, then IoT characteristics, M2M and IoT, end-to-end IoT architecture, physical design of IoT, logical design of IoT, overview of IoT protocols, IoT levels and deployment templates, challenges for IoT, independencies of IoT and cloud computing, and last is the web of things. Okay, so these are the points which will I am going to explain in the lectures, subsequent lectures. Okay, so start with the first topic. So first basic things is that evolution of IoT, how this IoT is come into the picture. The IoT refers to a capability of everyday device to connect to other devices and people through the existing internet infrastructure. Okay, so example of this are the smartphones that interact with the other smartphones, vehicle to vehicle communication, and connected video cameras and connected medical devices. So example of IoT is that we generally we use the smartphones, and whenever we want to transfer any media file or anything, then we can easily transfer between the phones. So we transfer via local connection, and sometimes we transfer it via internet. Okay, so these all are the example of internet of things. Okay, so uh, also we transfer many data from vehicle to vehicle communication. Then we video cameras are the also one of the best example in which we transfer the data from the video camera to the internet, and then we can see that video from anywhere in the world. Okay, so these are the some example of IoT. There are able to communicate with the customers, collect and transmit data to companies, and compile the large amount of data for third parties. Okay, so we can easily collect the data. uh, After collecting the data, we can transmit the data to the companies, and then we can compile this large amount of data and send it to the third party. Okay, so things are objects of a physical world, physical things, or of the information world, virtual world, which are capable of being identified and integrated into the communication networks. Okay, so things have associated information which can be static or dynamic. Okay, so physical things exist in the physical world and are capable of being sensed, actuated, and be connected. Okay, so example of physical things include the surrounding environment, industrial robots, goods, and the electrical equipment. Okay, virtual things exist in the information world and are capable of being stored, processed, and accessed. Example of virtual things include the multimedia content and the application software. Device is a piece of equipment with the mandatory capability of communication and optional capability of sensing, actuation, data capture, and data storage and data processing. So device can do the sensing, actuation, data capture, and data storage, and last data processing. So device collect the various kind of information and provide it to the information or communication network for further processing. Some device also execute operation based on the information received from the information and the communication network. So this is the graph how IoT is evolved. So business and social impact, connectivity, digitalize access, email, web, browser, network size, economic is a digital business, e-commerce, digital supply chain, immersive experiences, digital interaction, social mobility and cloud. And our internet of things is a digital the word, okay, digitize the word, connecting people, process, data and things. Okay, so this is the function of IoT. Okay. Okay, so evolutionary phase of internet is a connectivity, network, economy, immersive experiences, and IoT. Connectivity, in the phase, people are connected to email, web services, and searches the information. Okay, so connectivity is, what is connectivity? Connectivity in the phase, people are connected to email, web services, and searches the information. Network economy is the this phase support the e-commerce and supply chain enhancement along with the collaborative engagement to drive increase efficiency in business process. Okay, so these are the evolution. First we connect connectivity, where we use the email and web services. Then we evolved with the network economy, in which we see the e-commerce and supply chain and all. Then immersive experiences, this phase extend the internet experience to encompass the widespread video and social media while always being connected through the mobility. Okay, so these are the uses of internet, how people used internet in past, and then it is evolved with the number of uses. Okay, so and it last, we use now internet of things. It adds the connectivity to objects, machine in the world around us to enable the new services and experiences. Okay, so this is the evolution of IoT. Now, what is the definition of core IoT? The IoT is the network of physical objects, devices, vehicle, buildings, and other items embedded with the electronics, software, sensors, and the network connectivity that enables this object to collect and exchange the data. So this is a basic definition, that the IoT is a network of physical object. Okay, so it is not only a network and not only a physical object. It is a network of physical objects such like devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items embedded with the electronics. Okay, now what contains in IoT devices, that the embedded with the electronics, it also have a softwares, also have a sensors and network connectivity. Okay, that enables this data to collect and exchange data. Okay, so network connectivity enables this object to collect data and exchange the data with the internet or any other place. Okay, so Wikipedia definition is that the internet of things, also called the internet of objects, refer to a wireless network between objects. Usually the network will be wireless and self-configuring, such as a household appliances. Okay, third definition is WSIS 2005 definition. By embedding short range mobile transceivers into a wide array of additional gadgets, the everyday items, enabling the new form of communication between people and things, and between things. Okay, so the internet of things refers to the capability of everyday devices to connect to other devices and people through the existing internet infrastructure. Okay, so this is the internet of things, and internet of things can do the anytime, any context, anyone, anybody, any service, any business, any path, any network, any place, anywhere, and anything, any device. Okay, so internet of things can connect all these things. Okay, so where this internet of things is used, it is used in a transportation, robots and drones, smartphones, connected home and offices, and healthcare and hospitals. Okay, so this is the definition of internet of things. So this is the basic of internet of things. Okay, So devices connect and communicate in a many ways. Example of these are smartphones that interact with the other smartphones, vehicle to vehicle communication connected to the video camera. Okay, so these are all are we already know that. IoT data differs from traditional computing. Okay, IoT data differs from traditional computing. The data can be small in size and frequent in transmission. The number of devices or nodes that are connecting to the network are also greater in IoT than the traditional PC computing. So many devices, thousand and crores of devices are connected with the network, internet, and they all are collect the data and send it to the via internet. Okay, so machine to machine communication and intelligence drone from the devices, and the network will allow business to automate certain basic tasks without depending on a central or a cloud-based application and services. IoT impacts every business. Mobile and Internet of Things will change the type of device that connect into the uh, company's system. Okay, this newly connected devices will produce new type of data. The Internet of Things will help a business gain efficiency, harness intelligence from a wide range of equipment, and improve operation and increase customer satisfaction. So ubiquitous computing perceives computing, internet protocols, sensing technologies, communication technologies, and embedded devices are merged together in order to form a system where real and digital worlds can meet and are continuously simultaneous interaction. Okay, so smart object is the building block of IoT vision. By putting intelligence into everyday object that are turned into smart object and able not only to collect the information from the environment and interact the control the physical world, okay, but also to be interconnected to each other through the internet to exchange the data and information. Okay, so the expected huge number of internet connected devices and significant amount of data available data open new opportunity to create a services that will bring the tangible benefits of society, environment, economy, and individual citizens. So, however, IoT is still maturing, in particular due to number of factors which limit the full explanation of the IoT. Some of the factors are listed below. There is a no unique identification number system for object in the world. IoT uses the architecture reference model ARM, but there is no further development in ARM. Okay, and there is a missing large scale testing and learning environments, difficulties in exchanging of sensor information in a heterogeneous environment, and difficulties in developing business which embeds the full support of the internet of things. So these are some difficulties which we will solve this difficulty in future. Okay, so this is up to this is the basic uh, I explain you evolution and then definition of IoT, and how we use the IoT in various application, and how some and there are some problems that we will solve in future. Okay, so up to now, if you have any kind of doubt, then you can comment it down. In next lecture, we will see the IoT characteristics and component of IoT. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can definitely comment it down. And don't forget to comment your enrollment number in the comment box. It will be count as your online attendance. Thank you.